Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of My Talkie TV. Alright, so we're gonna have another seafood boil today. I got potatoes, corn, lobster tails, got my crunchy pickles on deck, got some eggs, and we also got crab legs today, alright? So now, I made my own sauce again. Pretty good. I really can't tell you how I made it. I just threw a whole bunch of seasonings in there and just like made it work. But really good, right? So good. Oh man. My potatoes. Alright, so the other day I was watching Basketball Wives, right? And so the episode kind of opened up with like Lorenzo and British having an argument. And he was like, I raised you, you know? And that right there just gave me so much insight into their relationship because, you know, he's so condescending to her, you know? If I was her, I would definitely not get back with him ever again. I don't know why Jackie was all in their business in the first place. I invited him over here. She always somebody's business. Somebody she's a little girl. And she had been with her man for a long time, but think about all the stuff she went through with him because she probably didn't have a choice, you know. And we always hear them stories about this girl chasing them bags, them basketball bags. I'm not saying that that's her story, but you know, it could be. And then we Jen and Malaysia still going back and forth with each other. I'm starting to think that they're doing this all for a storyline. Because, you know, they really didn't want to fight each other. Acting like they did. Get me all excited. You know? It's so good. It's down to the sauce. Sauce is everything. You know, I really like Rockstar and Angel relationship a lot. You know, I watched them before on past episodes of Living Hip Hop and things like that, and I thought of him one kind of way. Now I really think of him in a different kind of way. And I like that little situationship. You know, they're pretty cool. Angel's really pretty and successful. You know, he's doing his thing. He's Rockstar. He's successful. It kind of just works out. I like seeing two beautiful black people get together and, you know, do their thing. Another thing, you know, Jennifer is dating that new guy. And she keep on acting like she never dated nobody before. And, you know, she just so happy to be hanging out with this guy. My whole thing is, Jennifer, you have dated a lot of people before. I don't know why this is such a surprise. Maybe you start hanging out with guys for a little while, but, you know, your track record speaks for itself. I ain't throwing no shade, but I do be like that. I be trying to get all the meat. All of it. Jennifer said she kissed a lot of frogs. Probably her breast out. See, this is a group of people. It's my friend's birthday.
My friend Sherry came to my brunch.
How was the brunch? That cake was good.
Bitch, you're the same person that said on the group that cake was dry.
He said that? I didn't see that. He said it was
I
dry.
said the cake was good.
My best friend died.
But this is my Jennifer and the guy really making a connection. And I think they're really cool because, I want her to be happy. And she deserves it. We all do, right?
They always looking for you, my mom. Jasmine and
And
Derek.
so, I'm gonna text when you left to
The
us.
home house we went to.
They were there.
Look at this shit.
He was a supervisor for those.
Because they had a whole lot of flight licenses there.
He was a flight attendant and then became a supervisor. Now he retired, but they want him to come back for the hiring team for recruiting. I said, go back, get me on, and then do. But now he doesn't have a job.
I should call Crystal and tell
I
her
think it's
story.
crazy how Angel don't want to tell her mom that she's pregnant.
Yeah, I thought she was.
At the same time, we ain't know about the business. But I think she really don't want to tell her mom she's pregnant because, you know, parents just want the best of you.
And they don't want to mess with him because they know what he's talking about.
I told you something that you had a lawyer. I told you that. Tell him you're a lawyer.
She probably not proud.
As soon as
She not married and stuff.
Oh, that's a wrap.
I told you that. It's all over the
Yeah, she went through a lot with her last relationship, and you know,
Emailed you that look.
sometimes parents can be very judgmental.
James who?
So
Says, "Hey, James, I need a deed."
I understand her not want to call her mom. But DJ Def was kind of aggravating me. Kept on saying, "You ain't gonna bet your mom. You ain't gonna bet your mom."
I've been saying that from
You know,
day
everybody
one.
relationship with the same with their parents. Sure enough, she was just being a good friend, but
But again, I know you don't know.
nobody want to hear that. You know, you think she don't want to call her mom? They'd be like, "I'm pregnant." Her mom be like, "Oh my
So that's
god."
a representative from that company.
You got to get a call back and take
And I feel like Angel must be a fan favorite because she in every single episode. Like,
I mean, Long first.
Ask him if you're going to do that.
but she is really pretty.
No, don't ask me a fucking thing.
Maybe she was
I
fan
have a
favorite,
lawyer
though.
and I would like to request
She
it.
talks so sweet like this.
Why I was right.
Reasons for termination, and also I want to hold on a copy of that form for now.
Yeah, say, hey, I have a lawyer. Can we request?
Say, hey, Ron,
Yeah. I have a lawyer and I would like to request. What's the matter?
You don't need to tell
I wouldn't say Jackie none of my business.
Right, that's his representative.
So
Nothing.
I'll email them.
But I don't want to like. Yeah.
He's been speaking for him.
And Bridge was like Jackie broke girl code. Duh.
Yeah, I would like to request a termination explanation.
Because they just sent me an
She always doing something she ain't been doing for the show.
Wait, I think I did put it posted. Okay.
They're like, I think her getting married all the time for the show. Don't nobody want to get married every year. I really wish she would have kept that dress and tie seeing the clips.
Listen,
None of my business.
What the? Are you kidding me?
what is it?
I said I want to let the company know I want a copy of reasons for termination for my lawyer and the Department of the Health.
And, you know,
Copy.
I was wondering what it is British do.
I'm going to move forward
And I was online just looking up stuff.
this case.
And I saw that
I'm
she got a
going to
couple
move
cases
forward with a lawyer.
pending.
Upon or taken. There you go.
And things like
Because you know that letter you
18 counts of fraud
catalog
that they back since 2017.
ask somebody.
She got like online business. I don't know if she was doing fraud with online business or what, but they said that she was getting a whole bunch of loans and stuff and using fake social security numbers.
With FMLA, you cannot go forward. You just have to prove it. They can't question you.
And I guess she got away with it for a little while. But you know, the way they work is, the way the feds work is, they like keep on letting you do stuff, just watching you the whole time. And my whole thing is the Lorenzo must ain't got no money because why you out here doing fraud? She was trying to get away from that man.
How they that day, how was wrong?
By any means.
He said no, delicious. It's a delicious stuff.
Might be like that sometimes. So now, we get ready to pull up to the ginger reveal. Everybody pull up looking real good, real cool. Oh no. And I was calling the girl Neil twin for so long, but when I looked at her in the scene, she didn't like a twin no more. She kind of looked different. Like her own person. Well, she is her own person, but you know. She originally touched my extension info. Brooke was looking good. My legs was, you know, chilling. Everybody was wearing pink or blue. Because, you know, it was a gender reveal, but everybody knew if the baby was a boy or girl, which I really believe that they did know whether it was a boy or girl. But, you know, whatever. Because, I mean, even if you didn't know it was a boy or girl, somebody would have had to know it was a boy or girl. You know? Well, who knows boy or girl? You know? So the ladies looked really good. All of them really good. Really good. And Brooke was looking really good in her dress. Real flowing stuff. It was like a dark purple. It didn't really give me pink. But it's a shade of pink, you know. And she can get away with that. She's Brooke, a baby. So. And then Jennifer was looking good in her Fendi, blue Fendi, you know. Nia had this little dress on that kind of had her triangle cut in the front. You know what I'm saying? All the curly hair. I was feeling that, you know. And Leah Duffy was there. Looking like Jay Duffy. So, everything going on, it's real cute. They got synchronized swimmers, they got Neo singing. You know, I wish I could get Neo to come on events. They got helicopters, paparazzi. It was lit. And then he came around. Rockstar turned around and pulled out a ring. Like he finna propose. But he wasn't proposing. It was a promise ring. Apparently it was another promise ring because he already gave her 1 or 2 promise rings before. I think 3. I think there was a 4th promise ring. So she had showed her hand. She was like, yeah, he always likes to buy me jewelry. And she showed her hand. And they say, your hands tell your age. So, how y'all think Angel Brink's here? And so, everything was real cute or whatever, you know. Ooh, wait. Yeah, I'm with that. So, everything was real cute. So then we get to the part where they all sitting around and stuff, and like, a texting came through. And, because somebody texted Brooke being messy, right? Because, you know, she say she looked like this. She got time to be on nobody's page. So, Brooke say, well, Nia, somebody just sent me a text right here. So the text said, it was like a meme. It was like, I'm finna go to an unwedded baby shower. And eat some, I'm finna go to an unwedded baby shower and eat some baby shower food. I got a taste for some out of wedlock baby shower food. That's what it was. And I was like, I didn't really see nothing wrong with it, but Brooke felt like she had a problem with it, probably for camera time. And so she said something. They kept on trying to make it about Angel. Like, Angel ain't even studying it. It was kind of funny. I thought it was kind of funny too. I'm on Nia's side when it comes to this. And then Brooke kept on like popping off with her. But I hope Brooke ain't trying to be the Tammy of this group. Cause baby, you know, we do not need that. And so they get to arguing and stuff, and Brooke was like, well, I just thought, and Neil was like, I don't care what you thought or whatever like that. I was like, right, Nia, you know, because I think Nia with all this shit. I think she with all the smoke. And so, you know, it was what it was. Another thing that had kind of aggravated me, like, about one of the scenes when Jennifer and them had got into it is because, like, Jennifer was acting like she was so mad at the fact that Zia had said her breast thing. And like, girl, people been saying it for a while. I don't know if it's because of the shape of your mouth or sometimes it look like your lips are dry with the lipstick on. Like it's cracking. I don't know where it was, but, you know, apparently it was something. And I'm thinking to be mad at Zia for that. And Jay was sorry, I think. We all talk about each other at the end of the day. You know? We'll be our friends. I feel like because he was gay, it was a bigger problem. Because he ain't hurt your feelings that bad. You hanging out with a whole bunch of ladies and hurt your feelings worse than that. I know. Carly be crying. And then he go, what be it now? He go, Brandon. You gotta sit down. I'm so tired of Brandon. I know storyline. Anyway, I thought the episode was very interesting. I liked it. I see all this food. I'm so full. I don't know. I'm gonna hang out a little bit. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning into the Caleb Show. I had a really good time hanging out with you guys, talking about basketball, whatever, things like that. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean. This is cranberry juice, by the way. I'm gonna clean up and yeah, move around a little bit. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, My Taiki TV, and I'll see y'all next time.